know you, bro. He a fucking white boy.
Tell what, man. You know what it is, man. What happening, man? Bad bundles in the can. You already know what it is, man. Like Craig gang, yo, what storm, man? What's games? Evo! This my name be ringing bell. My name be ringing bell like through all the jail. Yeah, my name be ringing bell. My name be ringing bell. Yeah, I will never tell. 10 toes down, gotta keep a pound when I'm rolling through the town. 2 glizzies on me now, feeling like I'm Tupac. Running around with 2 blocks, you get your whole crew shot. Shoot you out your tube socks, you motherfuckers playing. I get the fucking spraying and your body get the laying. I put them in the ground, yeah, you know I put it down. Drop a couple pounds and some Xanax over across the side of town. You know I ain't playing no fucking games. I got me a 38, that shit is gon' bang. Assassination style, we gon' walk up right behind you. You gon' get your mind blew, that shit is gon' blind you. That's why I tried to explain the rules of the game. To tell you you can't switch sides, that shit you can't change. I'm trying to get the money, man, I'm trying to make change. I'm trying to see all my people shine, even people I hate. That shit ringing bells. My shit ringing bells. Like through all the jails, through all the cells, my shit be ringing bells. Ringing bells. No, it's ringing bells. No, I won't never tell. 10 toes down, put me up inside of a cell. See, yo, you people crazy. I'm telling them not to play me. Now I have to get shady. And I ain't talking about Slim. Now I ain't trying to be him. I'm my own man. I'm gonna win. Like I'm Charlie Sheen, living through the dream. My name ring bells cause of me and my whole team. I got some dead people who be living right through me. We tryna get this money, me and my whole fucking team. We gon' get the green, you know just what I mean. I look you in your eyes and tell you what's the plan, the plot, and what's the scheme. Shout out to my uncle schemes. Shout out to all the fellas who raised me into what I be. Did my name be ringing bell? Yeah, maybe ringing bell. 10 toes down, never tell. Did my name be ringing fucking bell?